Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about the stunning Monarch Laminate Flooring range. The 8mm range is available in 8 natural decors ranging from the light barrel oak to the warm and earthy caramel oak. The full range comes with a 25-year residential warranty and is compatible with underfloor heating systems. With an AC4 rating, you can rest assured that the Monarch range is up to the challenges of daily life. The Uniclick fitting system also makes laying a dream. Simply engage the long joint at an angle, bringing the short joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Lower, and using a tapping block, tap the boards up until the short joint fully engages. Packed full of benefits and plenty of colour choice, the Monarch range has something to offer any home. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.